Hi, this is Brandon McCullough with BrandonMcCullough.com, and we're going to learn how to update the calendar. So, if you take a look at the Dance Studio #1 website, you can see there's this lovely calendar here, and it shows a few upcoming events this month, and then it has a list of the next 5 upcoming events in following months. So, what we want to do is we actually want to add something new to here, or maybe even update something on the calendar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in on the back end. I've already logged in, and you can go down to this calendar section right here. You have to be an administrator in order to do this. And we go to Ajax event calendar, and what you can see is we have a calendar already loaded here, and it looks pretty empty. So let's add something. It's as simple as just finding the date that you want. Say we want October 21st. That's right here. You just click on it once and it loads this form, and you can choose if it's going to be an all-day event, or you can unclick this and choose what times it's going to be. Let's just use it all day for right now. You can even choose if it's going to be 3 days. You can choose a new day for this, and it will actually load up a new window with calendar on it. It's really easy. So let's make it a 3-day event. If this is going to repeat every 14 days or whatever it's going to be, we're not going to repeat anything. We're giving it a title. This is going to be a new event, and you can categorize it. Right now I've made 3 categories. Events, whether the dance studio is closed or if there's a recital, and they'll show up in different colors like you saw on the front page. If we go back over there, the red is closed, green is recitals. If you click on see all upcoming events, we'll see a bigger list of all the events coming on the calendar, and you can see there's a couple green ones. And we'll just go back into the calendar and back to making our event. You can type in a venue, whether it's dance studio number studio. Oops, I've got to spell that right. You can give the address. We can put in the city, state, postal code, and what that's going to do is it's going to allow people who are looking at your calendar to easily find out where it is and how to get there. You can give it a good description. This is a new and fun event happening at the dance studio. And you can even put a name of contact and a phone number. So if they want to know more, they can just call a number on the screen. I'm just going to click add, and what it will do is immediately adds this new event. And if we come back to the front and refresh the page, and you'll see this new event is added. But I don't actually want this event there, so I'm going to go in and I'm actually delete it. And that's as easy as just clicking the delete button. And you hit OK. That sounds great. And now there's a lot of events that are in here right now that they don't have very much description. So what we can do is we can actually add description to them. So all you do is click on one of the events and it will load the page up again. You can type in a venue, an address, same thing like before, and just click update in order to update the event. The other thing you can do is if you have a bunch of similar events coming up, you can click the copy button, and what that will do is it will copy another one to the same day, and then you can click into that and move it to a different day or not. So that's how you update the calendar event. One last thing I want to show you is how to update categories. So say we want to add a new category for something upcoming, but it's not necessarily an event. So just upcoming. We can actually choose what color it's going to be. It gives this nice little spectrum wheel. Let's say I want this to be kind of like a teal. Let's go in there. Oh, that looks very nice. There you go. And that's a good teal color. You just click add, and all of a sudden now you have a new category. If you want to delete a category, it's as easy as clicking delete. And that's how you do that. So that's everything you need to know about calendars. And thanks for watching. This is Brandon McCullough signing off.